and welcome back. Now we're nearly at Valentine's Day, aren't we? So we're obviously going to be doing a Valentine's project. So today I'm going to be explaining to you about what it's going to be. Then I'm going to be doing a beautiful rainbow experiment. And then I'm going to show you a fantastic app on your phone that makes you a really professional dancer.
Horse stock is attached. Head is matted black. Got the bushes black to match.
And then, of course, last but not least, our fun fact of the day. So, come on, let's get on with it. And now for today's rainbow experiment. Now this is a really fun one, guys. So for this experiment, you will need the following things. You are going to need 7 different containers. Now I've got these glass ones here, but you can also use plastic cups if you want to, okay? So you need 7 of them. Then on top of that, you need some water. And you also need some food colouring. Now the food colouring that you will need is red, yellow and blue. And on top of that you will also need some paper towels. And that's it. So what are we going to do? Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our water and we are going to pour water about 3/4 of the way full into the 1st, 3rd, 5th and 7th container. So here we go. I've done the 1st, I've done the 3rd. Now I'm going to do the 5th and then the 7th. So what are we going to do next? I'm going to take my red and I'm just going to put a few drops into the 1st container. Doesn't that look beautiful? And also into the last container. Wow, and you can really see that it's starting to turn the whole of that jar full of red water. Next, I'm going to take my yellow. And again, I'm going to put a few drops into the 3rd jar. Wow, doesn't that look great? Okay, now we're going on to the 5th jar. And I'm going to put my blue in. Isn't that a beautiful colour? Fantastic. Okay, so I'm just going to leave those there for a moment and let the colour absorb into the water, and I'm going to go over to my paper towels. Now you'll see I've got a small paper towel here and I'm going to fold it. So here, this is what I do. I fold the paper towel in half, like so. Then I fold it again and then I fold it over. All right. And then I take 5 more, and I've got these ones that I did earlier, and I do exactly the same. So once I've done that, I'm going to take some scissors and I'm just going to chop off a little bit of the end of each one of these paper towels. Here's one. So that's done, and now I have 6 of these lovely paper towels. Now what am I going to do with them? Well, I'm going to take one and I'm going to put one end of it into the red container, and the other side is going to enter the empty container on the other side. Then I'll take my next paper towel and it's going to go into the blue, and the other side also into the same empty container. And I'm going to do the same all the way along, and it's going to be a bit like a zigzag. So here goes. I've done it to all of the different colours. Now, why is it called a rainbow activity? Because we are creating colours from the rainbow. And we're doing that by using these colours and mixing them together. What's going to happen is that the colour is going to absorb into the paper towel. It's going to absorb all the way into the empty jar. The two colours are going to mix together and they're going to create a different colour in each jar. So this process takes a little bit of time, so I'm actually going to sleep on it, go to bed, wake up in the morning and see what's happened. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. So here we are the next morning and we're going to have a look at our experiment and see what's happened. And I can tell you it's very, very exciting. Take a look. Well, the red and the yellow have made this beautiful orange colour. And the yellow and the blue have made this great green. And the blue and the red have made purple. And now it looks like this beautiful rainbow. Isn't it wonderful? It's such a fantastic experiment. It takes time, but you must do it. It's so much fun and it creates such a lovely result. Valentine project. Now it's very easy, but I need you to do something very special for me. First of all, I need you to practice how to do this with your fingers, and that's making a beautiful heart with your fingers, okay? Then you're just going to put it next to your face like this and look in the camera and say, love is all you need. That's what you need to say. Love is all you need. Okay, so you get somebody to record you. Make sure that the camera is this way, horizontal, not vertical. Then put your fingers together like this and say, love is all you need. And then send it to me. Have a go and send it soon. On to the next activity, and today's activity is an amazing app called Sway Magic Dance, which will turn you into an amazing professional dancer, not that you're not great already. So you download the app to your phone and then it gives you very clear instructions of what to do. Basically, you need to make sure that you're in shot, and then it tells you to move your arms, move your legs, jump around a little bit, and then you download it to your phone and it changes you into something very, very special. Now, I did mine earlier and I hope it's going to turn out okay. So I'm just going to press this button and see what happens. That is just hysterical, guys. I look nearly as good as Michael Jackson. It's hysterical. You must have a go too. Try and see what turns out. And now for today's fun fact of the day. And today's fun fact is about the beautiful rainbow lorikeet. Now, a rainbow lorikeet is a parrot, and you can see it behind me here. What a beautiful bird, isn't it, guys? You can see it's got this beautiful blue-violet head. It's got green wings at the back, but it's also got this orange and yellow colour and a blue belly. It's just so vibrant and so wonderful, but they are actually very active birds. So if you want to have one as a pet, watch out because they're also very, very talkative. Another funny thing about them is they have a very strange mating dance. When the man wants to attract the woman, he does this very funny dance. Let's have a look and see now. Okay guys, that's it for today. Now I want you to do that dancing and send me a clip of you doing it. I'm sure that you'll look fabulous. But until next time, it's bye for now.